Hi everyone, it's Kathy from Buffalo Check Chicks. Thought I'd stop in and show you what I'm up to. I've been wanting to make a lighthouse out of terracotta pots, which I've seen all over Pinterest. So I went and I've got terracotta pots. I got the big one, the medium, and the small. So I'm going to glue them together. Well, paint them, glue them together. And I bought this at Dollar Tree for the top. But of course it's not going to fit, so I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to put that in there. But I will come up with something. Swear it will fit in this one though. But anyway, so that's what I'm going to be up to, is making a lighthouse. And I found some really neat, thicker nautical rope. And I might even put that around here. I'm not sure yet how that would, might be kind of cool. And let's see what else I found. I found these. Bike wheel, wagon wheel, I'm not sure what, bicycle wheel, wreath ring. I want to make a nice fall wreath with this, I think. I bought 2 of them. So, I've never used these ones before. Pretty cool. So, what else? That's about it for now. I'm finding out where all the stores are, so my husband's not happy about that. Alright, I will come back and show you what I did with my lighthouse. Okay, so I decided to paint my terracotta pots white. And I'm just using the apple barrel from Walmart. Snow White, and I got the apple barrel bright red. I'm going to paint the trim red, and the body is going to be white. And it probably is going to need a couple coats. And I'll be back. Okay, so I have the pots that I bought all painted, the red and white. I have the nautical rope that I'm going to put around the edge. And then I had these little medicine cups. And I painted it, well, I have 2 of them. I painted it black because I need to put the top in here. So I'm going to put that in the top and glue it on. I knew I'd come up with something. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm almost done doing the lighthouse. Not perfect, but it'll do. I made little cutouts here of the door, and then I just traced it on with a pencil and then painted it in. I did the little circle and then painted it, made little windows. Traced it and painted it. And I took the nautical rope that I had. I got this at Dollar Tree. It was 11 feet nautical rope. And then the top, I used these little medicine cup, and I cut a hole in the top because I couldn't get the light that I had bought to fit in. So I painted it black, cut the top out, glued it on top. I used the E6000 glue, and I used my hot glue gun. And so now I have this. I'm going to glue this on the top, and that will light up. And then I'm going to continue with the nautical rope around each section. I did the bottom one already. I think it looks pretty cool. And that'll be about it. I'll show you the finished result in just a minute. Okay, so I'm done with my lighthouse. I think it came out pretty good. I might have to spray like a top coat or sealer or something on it because I do want to put it outside. It's not perfect, but it's pretty neat. And thanks for watching.